How to perform a resetting PLU report on the Sharp XEA207 cash register. First of all, press mode, then arrow down to line 4, X1Z1 mode, and press TLNS. Then scroll to line 3, resetting, and press TLNS. And for the PLU report, choose line 2, PLU menu. Press TLNS again, and one more time to produce the resetting PLU report. This will show you the quantity of each product sold since the last time you produced this report. The data will now be reset. You can test this by pressing TLNS again twice to reissue the report or issue a new report, and you can see that there's no data there because you haven't sold any PLUs, so the data has reset. Thanks for watching.